What do you think about IDR technique in the management of compromised socket? Do you think it would impact or to change a little bit the way to manage compromised sockets in your daily practice from now on as soon as you are finishing this course?
No, I'm sure that is very challenging. That is the best technique for solving some extreme situation, and also for a lot of other situations where the timing was much longer, and that is it's with a very big impact on the relation with the patient. How to communicate that he has to wait 1 year, 1.5 years for some other cases. And it's much better. For me, it's the best course ever.
Very good, thank you. And do you think it's much more predictable for the patient when we apply this technique instead of the other techniques available in the literature in the management of compromised sockets?
To be honest, I don't think that I'm the best surgeon. I don't think that I have huge experience, but I already did in the past few cases with a kind of IDR, because I do not have full information from you, and it was amazing. The result, it was absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much.
For me.
Thank you.
Thank you.